Stop scrolling. If you sell on Amazon or Shopify, you're probably wasting hours doing things AI can do 10 times faster, and you're leaving money on the table. Let's fix that. Here are 8 AI tools that will boost your sales, automate your workload, and keep you from losing your mind. And no, this isn't some AI will replace you fear-mongering. AI won't replace you, but it will replace lazy, outdated sellers who refuse to adapt. So if you don't want to end up flipping burgers for your old competitors, pay attention. Tool number 1, Helium-10. Helium-10 is basically Wall Street-level market manipulation for Amazon sellers, except it's legal. Find winning products, spy on competitors, optimize listings for max conversions. It's like having an entire data science team working for you, for $39 a month instead of 6-figure salaries. Tool number 2, ChatGPT. Need product descriptions that actually convert? Need customer service templates so you can stop answering "Where's my order?" for the 500th time? Just feed ChatGPT some basic info, and boom, instant copywriting. And before you say AI can't write like humans, yeah, well, half the humans on Fiverr can't write like humans either. Tool number 3, Claude. Claude is ChatGPT's nerdy cousin that specializes in complex tasks. Use it for product research deep dives, market trend predictions, customer service automation that doesn't sound like a robot. If you want an AI assistant that actually understands nuance, Claude's your guy. Tool number 4, Shopify Magic. For Shopify sellers, Shopify Magic writes product descriptions that don't suck. It literally generates SEO-optimized product listings in seconds. So instead of spending hours tweaking descriptions, you can, I don't know, actually run your business? Tool number 5, Klaviyo. You know those email marketers who promise 6-figure email campaigns? Yeah, fire them and use Klaviyo instead. AI-powered email automation, smart segmentation, personalized marketing that actually converts. If you're not emailing your customers, you're basically handing money to your competitors like some kind of business charity. Tool number 6, Tidio. Tidio is like having a customer service team that doesn't whine, take breaks, or demand raises. Instant AI responses to FAQs. Ticketing system to keep things organized. Higher customer satisfaction equals more sales. Best part? It integrates with both Shopify and Amazon, so you can manage everything in one place. Tool number 7, C3 AI Inventory. Optimization. Running out of stock? You just gave your customers to your competitors. Overstocked? Congrats. Now your cash is trapped in slow-moving inventory. C3 AI solves both problems by predicting demand accurately, minimizing stockouts and overstocking, optimizing inventory levels like a pro use it, or keep playing Russian roulette with your cash flow. Tool number 8, Pryla. Pryla analyzes sales trends and adjusts your prices in real time to maximize profits. Raise prices when demand spikes. Drop prices strategically to move slow inventory. Compete without racing to the bottom. Basically, if you're manually adjusting prices like it's 2010, you're already losing. So here's the final word. Don't be a dinosaur. Look, if you're still manually handling product research, customer service, email marketing, and inventory, you're setting yourself up to fail. AI won't replace you, but it will replace the sellers who don't use it. Check the link in the description for home improvement loans and funding tools to scale your e-commerce business. Because if you don't invest in the right tools, someone else will. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're ready to sell smarter, not harder.